All right, Howard, here's your box of 2018 Gypsy Queen, last one. The box topper first. Oh, 10 out of 25. Jose Altuve, number to 25. 10 of 25. No auto, but it's still really nice. Glassworks, Altuve. Nice. Carlos Carrasco, Charlie Blackmon, Devers rookie, Lowry, Jeanette, Justin Upton, Melky Cabrera, and Aaron Nola. Arcia, Sale, Ryan Braun, Kevin Gausman, Dustin Fowler rookie on-card auto. For the A's, Joey Gallo, Brandon Belt, and Brian Dozier. Chris Davis, Marco Estrada, Corey Nabel, Andrew McCutchen, Fortune Teller, Dylan Betances, Alcides Escobar, Ohtani rookie, Shohei Ohtani rookie, and Sandy Alcantara rookie. Alex Wood, JD Martinez, Trevor Bauer, Will Myers, Kenley Jansen, Carlos Correa, Ace of Wands, insert, AJ Pollock, and Luis Castillo. Justin Verlander, Brandon Drury, Jose Altuve, Buster Posey, Miguel Andujar, rookie, Mikey Matuk, Eddie Rosario, and Nomar Mazara. Mike Trout, Mike Leake, Yuli Gurriel, Kevin Kiermaier, Andrew Stevenson, 39 out of 250. We'll catch it. Blue, rookie, Bryce Harper, AJ Jimenez, rookie, and Kyle Seager. Nick Castellanos, Austin Hayes, rookie, Giancarlo Stanton, Whit Merrifield, Eric Fedde, rookie, Edwin Encarnacion. Ooh, James Paxton, Jackie Robinson Day, and the Gypsy Queen short print, James Paxton. And Felipe Rivero. Lindor, Chad Bettis, Zach Greinke, Jarrell Cotton, Dubal Herrera, Dilson Lamet, Jordy Mercer, and Ahmad Rosario, rookie. Freddie Freeman, Mike Moustakas, Parker Bridwell, rookie, J.A. Happ, Andrelton Simmons, Ted Williams is the one per box veteran. C.J. Cron and Miguel Gomez, rookie. Jose Iglesias, Matt Harvey, Gregory Polanco, Vince Velasquez, Jose Altuve again, 28 out of 50. Black and white version. Jonathan Villar, Aroldis Chapman, Paul DeJong. Albert Pujols, James McCann, Yasmani Tomas, Alex Gordon, Logan Morrison, Jacob deGrom, Walker Buehler rookie, and Brandon Nimmo. Dallas Keuchel, Pat Corbin, Eric Hosmer, Tommy Pham, The Tower, Chris Sale, Jervis Solarte, Justin Smoke, and Max Scherzer. Trey Mancini, Justin Bohr, Carson Fulmer, Mitch Haniger, fortune teller Carlos Carrasco, James Paxton, James Italian, Gene Segura. Benintendi, Dylan Peters rookie, Wilson Contreras, Siwoo Lin rookie, Brad Hand, Noah Syndergaard, Reese Hoskins rookie, and Nelson Cruz. Irvin Santana, Ronaldo Lopez, Gary Sanchez, Tyler Glasnow, Masahiro Tanaka, Justin Turner, Jason Vargas, and Sonny Gray. Some base in that pack. Raisel Iglesias, Matt Chapman, Josh Donaldson, Hector Neris, Travis Jankowski, no team up there. Short print, Adrian Beltre, David Peralta, and Garrett Cole. Final stack here. Lance McCullers, Ozzie Albies, rookie, Ketel Marte, Victor Robles, rookie, Billy Hamilton, fortune teller Daniel Murphy, Josh Reddick, and Elvis Andrus. Chris Taylor, Dustin Pedroia, Brad Ziegler, Russell Martin, Travis Arnon, Alex Colomb, Chris Archer, and Brian Anderson, rookie. Javi Baez, Byron Buxton, Tim Anderson, Dansby Swanson, Carlos Martinez. Bazooka back is Nomar Mazara, Ken Giles, and Jarrett Parker. Still looking for an auto, I believe. Aaron Judge, Andrew Miller, Ian Kinsler, Mike Zunino, Mookie Betts, Thunder, Noah Syndergaard, Rougned Odor, and Anthony Rendon. Paul Blackburn rookie, John Gray, Mark Reynolds, Luis Perdomo, Luis Severino, Travis Jankowski, Austin Hedges, and Michael Franco. Tim Beckham, Christian Yelich, Salvi, Jeff Samardzija, Adam Duvall, auto for the Reds. Adam Duvall. He had a pretty good year last year. George Springer, Hunter Pence, and Matt Olson. Jonathan Scope, Corey Seager, Matt Boyd, Robbie Cano, fortune teller Brad Zimmer, Domingo Santana, Jack Flaherty rookie, and Andrew Kashner. Last pack. Ender Inciarte, Lorenzo Cain, Garrett Richards, Marcelo Zuna, Stephen Piscotty, Jackie Bradley Jr., no team. Didi Gregorius, and Yohan Moncada. All right, Howard, thanks so much. See you in the next couple of days.